Hey everyone, I am back, and I'm excited. You say, why are you excited? Well, I have two new palettes, two packages. Well, two packages with two new palettes in them. Let's call it that. I have never had any of these brands before, and I wanted to try it. So let us open this one first. This one will wait. I won't tell you what it is until we open it. This one we will open first because I had a makeup plan to do. So when they showed up, I said, oh, I'll just do the makeup with this. This look is all about how to use your bronzers. It's up on YouTube. Check it out. Please share my videos. I am asking you, please share my videos and subscribe. I am hoping to get to 700 subscribers by October 1st, 2022, which will be my 56th birthday. Help me celebrate with 700 subscribers. I am close. I am close. I am on YouTube for 3 years. I started my YouTube on a dare, and it has been fun because I love happiness. I know there are sad times. We all have them. But if I can help motivate the next person just to have a good day, it makes my day even brighter. So let's keep this channel going. Let us keep it having fun. And let us all just enjoy. Because I know the makeup that I do might not be for everyone because I like to do different things. But I do it because I think there is someone out there who just want to watch a video and listen to positive vibes. So let us keep this channel going. Okay, now I'm gonna open. Yeah. Address is still on there, so I can't. This is a long intro, but hang in there. This is going to be fun. So I'm gonna open this. Oh my goodness. This came in yesterday and I was like, nope, I will not open it until I am ready. So I am ready to open this and let us see what it is. Ta-da! Yay! It's packaged well. Let's make sure it's good. Okay. And I'll go this way. Let us see. Sometimes I'm on here, right? And I'm dancing, I'm doing it. I am just making up songs in my head and singing and having a good time. So if you're having a bad day today, just make up something, sing and dance, have fun, and call it a day. Right? Okay, now let us open this. Let's see what it is. Yeah! Blend Bunny. This is Blend Bunny. Oh, I've been wanting this so much. I was like, I am going to get this. They had a sale. Thanks, sis, for telling me about the sale. You know who you are. I appreciate it. But isn't this cute? Take a look at this. Let's just take a look at this. How pretty this is. Yes, the packaging always gets us. Okay, now I'm gonna open up this. Oh, this is what it looks like in the back. Let's see, let's make sure you get the back. The back, yes. Right, okay, now we're going to get the palette out. This is gonna be a nice video, so keep watching. Half of my makeup is on, so hopefully I don't make it too long, but keep watching. I do need the watch time hours. And it looks exactly like the packaging. Yes, I love. Yeah, I love this. This is so cute. Cute. Love it. Okay. Okay. Oh, it does have a... Okay. I'm trying not to blind you. And I'm gonna take out this because I always take this out because I like that they put it on to protect it, but I also don't really need it. It doesn't have a mirror, so it's like, you know, a good thing. I like that. I like mirrors, but this design I can dig. And these are the colors. Oh my god. OMG to the goods. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna play with this. We are going to play with this makeup. I am going to create a blue eye look. Let us see what a blue eye look looks like on brown eyes like mine. Right? I have brown eyes, dark brown eyes. People say, oh, your eyes are black, but no, my eyes are dark brown. I want to see what blue eyeshadow looks like on dark brown eyes. If you want to see how that look is going to look like, keep watching. First time blends bunny, and this is what Primal Cosmetics. Nope. Blend Bunny Cosmetics Primal palette. If I say it wrong, that's just what it is. Ooh, I love all the colors, but we are gonna do blue. Okay, let's get this started. I am loving this, loving this, loving this, loving this. Oh, it's not really a, oh, it's nice. It's not really a blue, but it's good enough for us to see what blue eyeshadow look like on dark brown eyes. Ooh. I don't have a base, I just have bronzer as an eyeshadow on. Ooh, it's nice and soft and it feels so nice. It has a shift. It is soft, so be careful with it. You don't want to damage your product. This is more like a purpley blue. So let's see what purpley blue look like on hooded eyes. I am going to have to use a brush. Let us see. I need a brush. The color is just so pretty. I'll go over it with my finger, but we'll do brush for now. This morning, well, a couple days now, have you ever had one of these little bumps in your nose that just irritate you to death? It hurts, you put stuff on it. I put like Vaseline in my nose over where the spot is, but it still irritates you, you know, and you want to just keep scratching it or touching it, which is not the right thing. And for somebody like me, my nose runs because I have a runny nose allergy. It's all year round. And sometimes I use the spray, but most of the time I don't use the spray. I just let nature take its course. Because this is nothing new. This is like forever. So I don't want to depend on anything. I'm like, you know what? My nose is running for a reason. Let it do its thing. This Blend Bunny is nice and smooth, but it's soft, which is what I like. So be careful. I'm telling you that for a second time because I noticed I was about to create a nice dent in there. And then this nose thing just, you know, it just really annoys you. So when I put stuff in my nose to prevent it, you know, from getting dry and being irritating, which is I'm talking about the bump in my nose. then my nose start running. So now I have to take a tissue and wipe it. So I'm constantly reapplying Vaseline to my nose. If you have one of these, if you have one of those and you or ever had one, tell me if it's not annoying. It is the most annoying thing. It is crazy, you know? But that's part of life. What are you gonna do? You just have to roll with the punches, because in due time it goes away. This eye look is coming out so nice. I am telling you, this palette is beautiful. I am so glad I got it. They were having a sale because they got to 50K on Instagram, and they decided, okay, they'll do I think it was a 30% sale. I was like, gotta get this palette. Let me get this palette. I would like the other one from them too, but this one was my first choice. I wanted to see how blue eyeshadow would look on dark brown eyes, and with this Blend Bunny bluish purplish color, gorgeous. If you have blues in your palettes, take them out because they work good on dark brown eyes also. Take a look. This is today's look with Blend Bunny. The color is called Muff. So, today's inspirational, encouraging word is, what will you muff yourself into? You can muff yourself into anything. Anything beautiful, you can muff yourself into it. At the end of the day, you take your makeup off, you wash your face, you moisturize, and you call it a day. Muff. I just muff myself into this, and at the end of the day, it will all be washed out and taken away. And I get to do it another day. Have fun with your palettes. Take it out, enjoy it. And whatever else that brings you joy, do that. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Bye.